Hey y'all. I just wanted to jump in real quick and show you um, the conveniences and the different ways of living here in Ghana. I would have never thought of this. Well, actually, I have thought of this. I always often wondered how, if the power went out, what could we do to cook? And since being here in Ghana, we have power outages all the time, right? I mean, all the time. And so today the power has been out for at least 3 hours and for maybe four, maybe longer. I don't know. I done took a nap. Shit, it was hot. I took a nap. But nonetheless, I'm warming up some water for my hot beverage, right? And before I would warm it up in my electric kettle that I have in the bedroom. But since the power is out, I was like, fuck, how can I get some hot water? I just learned this yesterday. I've been in this house since March and I just realized, well, they showed me when the plumber came to fix something in the kitchen. So you can see the cable here. So before I would have this plugged up to here and then I would hit this button, right? And then turn on this eye and it would come on, poof. But since something happened in the electrical, not the power out, but since something in the back of that messed up the line to the thing in the back here, it's not connecting. So now the gas that's in the tank, right? I'm about to show y'all everything, right? It's a tank up under here, right? And that tank is carrying gas. So all I have to do is first light the match, right? And then turn on the eye and pop it on, right? And I was like, how can I eat still when the power's out? I'm saying all this to say for people who have electrical or who what is the word I'm looking for? Who depend on electrical. Well, no, not depend on electrical because you can't just change your stove and shit into this. But what I wanted to recommend is this right here. This is like when the tank that's under the sink had went out. I went and got this one thinking I was getting an extra one of these, but I ended up getting one of these here. So this looks like a camping gas tank, which we would call it camping, but this is a way of life here in Ghana. And all you do is just turn this knob here, and the gas comes up when it comes up, and then you just get a match and light it. And so this is my backup. And I didn't want to use it because that's wasting gas there, but if I got gas here, because the tank is full. But anyway, I'm able to, with the power out, I thought this was the most amazing thing because when you're in another environment and you lose electricity, you don't have gas. They don't usually have gas and electric for you to cook. So this stove top is electric and gas. So if I run out of gas, that's what I love about this thing. When I run out of gas, I got three eyes, right? One, two, three. If I run out of gas, but I have electricity, I can plug this up and use this one eye right here. Man, this damn thing is bomb. Like, believe everybody should have one of these, not just if you're camping or living outdoors or some shit like this. This is like a backup to a backup to a backup to a backup. You feel me? So if the power go out, I could use my gas. Like now the power is out, but if the electricity or if the gas go out, I can use electricity. So I just wanted to share that with y'all real quick. I know this is long, but this is just something that to think of. Basically get one of these right here, a gas tank, and use that because you don't know what the world is coming to. We don't know. So I'm saying get this as a backup so your babies don't be hungry, okay? Ashe.